Hello everyone. Thought I would take this day to come down and just check on a couple things on the trailer. Wanted to bring a few things back, put the fire extinguisher back in here just in case I have any issues. Would be good to have along with me, but shouldn't, of course. But it's not getting hard freezes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the camper. Looks like I still have a camper. Cool. Also want to get up there and check the solar panels and make sure those things are cleaned off. So I brought me some water and a rag. Get up there and clean it off. Bought some new slippers. Want to put those in. A couple of things to throw in. So let's go up there and do a little checking around, just make sure everything's okay. Tires are good. Solar's working, and see what we can see. Alrighty, on the rooftop, click, click, click. No, on my camper, that's right. I'll check the solar panels, make sure they're not too dirty, and they look pretty darn good. A little bit of junk over there in the corner. But if any part of a solar panel is covered or blocked, it impairs the performance of the whole thing. Not that I really need them right now. Not a big deal. It's just doing a trickle charge to my two batteries. That's all it's connected to. There's disconnected the house battery lead coming in. So everything's shut off inside, so there's no parasitic drain at all. And this MPPT controller, these Renogy solar panels, will not overcharge. They'll shut off if it doesn't need them. So I'm just going to wipe it off with a little bit of I'm not even going to use water. I'm just going to use a rag. Dust it off and go down and check a couple other things. Just a quickie look here instead of going through it, because it's a little hard to get to. But I got 13.9 volts in my batteries, which is topped off. And solar is showing just a trickle, small trickle to those. Nice bright sunny day here, but they are full up. Wanted to mention too, for newbies out there, you may get a couple of these. They come with your unit. If they're not stored in your fridge and freezer, and the dealer doesn't show you how these work, what these are for, as you notice, I just left my fridge door and freezer door open. All you do, with the name side up, you'll figure it out. But this tab just slides right inside that, and there is a little notch. Where is it at? Yep, upside down. Yeah, there we go. Okay, come here. There's a little notch. When you slide that in, it will just hold the door cracked for you. So it lets a little air in there. As you notice, I'm in no big rush here. So I just leave mine kind of cracked open. Just open because I'm not doing much in here. So there we go. That'll keep those tight. Somebody had also asked me about watching TV, which goes right up here. I've taken it out, taken it home. When we're on the road, if we're not connected to shore power, and I don't think I showed this in any of my videos, I bought this trucker's 12-volt converter, and you'll see it's got a, hopefully the light's okay in here, 12 volt plug, and a little charger. Although on my charging center, I hope this is focused, you can see I can plug this, doing this one-handed, right in there. And when we're dry camping, that'll come up to speed, and I can plug the TV in right there with the cord just coming down from the TV, and we can watch TV. Usually about 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours maybe, and it doesn't really seem to hurt the batteries. Now remember, I've got 2 batteries and solar, so it recharges pretty quickly the next day. Just thought I'd show you that in case I had not mentioned it. One other thing, and this was for, I think, John, and there's someone, oh geez, Ellen, new owners. They asked about headphones, and I wanted to look at the brand name here, Sennheiser. These work just great. There's no volume control on it because I'll plug this into the side of the TV when I'm watching TV up there, and I'm sitting over here on the couch, and it stretches across, and as you can see, this has got a good old long cable. I'm going to say that's at least 8 feet, maybe longer. So if you, this is an HD 201, but boy, these are comfortable. The sound is great. They have to fit me just right. My ears are, I got big old dog ears. They flop out there. I got to keep them puppies cushioned. So long extension earphones is wonderful when one of you wants to sleep and one of you wants to watch TV. Now, the last time I was here, I could not get that pass-through open. And it was because it was well below freezing, and I couldn't get the key in. Aha! Yep. It was frozen with some water. That was all it was. Okay, there we go. I wanted to come get my trusty dusty stabilizer upper and downer taker, whatever you want to call that thing. I also wanted to get my little camp stove. This is the one that I use. You can see how easy that is. Take in and out. There's the bottle. Take one home. We might do a little grilling before we get out of here. And that was all I needed to get out of there. I'm going to put a couple things back, including my porta potty lid, my luggable loo.